In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade pre-market on Robinhood. Pre-market trading lets you react to news and earnings before the regular market opens, but it does come with lower liquidity and wider spreads, so it's important to set things up correctly. Let's walk through the exact process from start to finish, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you feel confident placing your first pre-market order. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging in. Make sure your app is up to date so you see the latest menus and features. If you haven't used the app in a while, take a second to confirm you're on a secure connection and that your account is verified and ready to trade. Next, you'll need to enable extended hours trading, which is required for pre-market. Go to the account tab, then settings, and open trading settings. Look for extended hours trading and turn it on. This toggle allows your orders to be routed during pre-market and after-hours sessions. If you don't see the option, update the app and check again. Keep in mind that extended hours sessions can be more volatile, so this setting is disabled by default for many users until they opt in. Now search for a stock that supports pre-market trading. Not every security is eligible, and availability can vary by symbol and venue. Use the search bar at the top of the app, type the company name or ticker, and open the stock's detail page. You may notice the price moving before the opening bell. This is normal in extended hours, and those moves can be more pronounced due to lighter volume. When you're ready, tap trade, then choose buy or sell, depending on what you want to do. This opens the order ticket for that stock. Take a breath here and review the price action and your plan, since pre-market fills can happen quickly if liquidity appears. Choose your order type, market or limit. In pre-market, many traders prefer limit orders because they let you control the maximum price you'll pay or the minimum price you'll accept, which helps manage wider spreads. Enter the number of shares or the dollar amount, double check the order summary and submit. If the order is eligible for pre-market, Robinhood will route it accordingly. If it doesn't fill immediately, it may remain pending until there's a matching order or until the session changes depending on your settings. That's it. You've set up extended hours access and placed a pre-market order on Robinhood. Keep an eye on your order status, review fills and timestamps, and always use limits when price control matters. Happy trading and stay disciplined.